History has been made. Special edition here on the 2026 World Cup FIFA edition. But we're going to give a shout out to the England women's rugby team, who are the world champions. Rugby fans, today we celebrate greatness on the pitch. The England women's rugby team have once again proven why they are a global powerhouse, lifting the trophy in stunning fashion. From the very first whistle, England showed their dominance with a combination of power, precision, and passion. Their forward pack crushed the opposition, and their backline lit up the field with speed and skill, and their defensive wall was almost unbreakable. This victory is more than just about the final match. It's about years of dedication, hard work, and building a winning culture. The England's Red Roses have consistently raised the standard of women's rugby, inspiring millions of young girls to pick up a ball and chase their dreams. Star performances shone across the field with standout tries, clutch tackles, and ice-cold leadership that carried them to glory. Every player stepped up, proving that teamwork is the ultimate weapon in rugby. The championship isn't just another title. It cements England as one of the most dominant forces in world rugby. The journey reminds us all that the passion, grit, and belief can take you to the very, very top. Congratulations to the England's Red Roses, the champions. History has been made and the pride of world rugby. Shout out to all the women in the World Cup and everyone. It was an absolutely amazing tournament. This is 2025, how to become better, how to become stronger. Our 2026 FIFA World Cup edition is still running, and this is a special edition for the champions of the Women's World Cup, England. Congratulations.